Whether you want to capture precious moments on the road or prove yourself innocent in an accident, a simple dash cam can be a lifesaver. Not just that, a dash cam will help you to settle disputes, avoid lawsuits, and give your insurance provider the evidence. Undoubtedly, dash cam has plenty of benefits. Hence, in today's video, we will talk about the 5 best car dash cams that can protect you in every way as you drive. So, without further ado, let's dive in.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
To capture an unexpected accident or submit footage to insurance companies, you just need a smart dash cam like the 70mm Dash Cam M500, an intelligent driving assistant that keeps an eye on the road and captures crucial footage on the go. Its high-profile camera is able to capture 1944 pixel resolution footage, which is 2.5 times clearer than a conventional 1080p HD pictures, so you can see more detailed pictures in any condition. Besides, its 170-degree viewing angle can capture a wider range of area so that your dash cam can record the action from both sides of your car. Not just that, its moving traffic alert, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning features make this dash cam one of the smartest dash cams on the list that keeps you safe on every side. To track your car position, this dash cam has built-in GPS, which displays real-time trip data including time, speed, and coordinates. In brief, with proven smart functionality and higher image capturing ability, the 70mm Dash Cam M500 should be your ultimate choice. It doesn't matter how wide the road is. With the Garmin Dash Cam 67 watts, you can capture the whole area of the road without compromising the image quality. This dash cam has 180 degrees extra wide viewing angle, recording video from one side to another side of the road flawlessly. Thanks to its 1440p HD video recording capability, you can capture everything on the road with detail and clarity. Moreover, it can shoot videos up to 60 frames per second, which indicates you will be able to capture a more smooth video even if you're at full speed. With the parking guard alert feature, this dash cam notifies you when the incident is detected and allows you to see a live view of your car when you're away from it. In brief, if you want to capture a sharp image in the hectic street conditions, you should definitely pick the Garmin Dash Cam 67 watts. When a hefty price tag stops you from purchasing the best dash cam, you can go for the DDPAI Z40 dash cam for your car, which comes at a reasonable price tag while maintaining exceptional performance. This dash cam has a 5-megapixel camera with a Sony IMX335 sensor and a 140-degree field of viewing angle to record every detail of the road as you drive. Moreover, its 1944p ultra-high resolution video capturing capability provides exceptionally detailed photos and videos for precise observation. Thanks to its D2 safe storage technology, you can record valuable video evidence of any incident even after TF car failure. Its built-in G-sensor technology and 24 hours parking monitor feature keep an eye on your car all the time and gives you great peace of mind. In short, the DDPAI Z40 is the best choice for those looking for an affordable option for their car security. Storage limitation is one of the most common problems for the dash cam, so we have the Nexar Beam that will provide you unlimited cloud storage and allow you to record emergency footage without any concern. This dash cam can record 135-degree wide video in 1080p full HD quality in both day and night conditions. With free cloud storage, it can automatically save emergency footage and enable you to access them from any corner of the world. Plus, its built-in G-sensor helps you to paint the picture of events in the case of an incident and automatically locks the video file from being produced at the time. With just a simple tap of a button, you can create a detailed insurance report without spending additional time and money. In brief, with unlimited cloud storage, the Nexar Beam is the best choice for you if you don't want to erase previous data to capture new ones. It's hard to replace the name of Garmin from the #1 position. That's why we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 on the first position of our list, which is a high-performing dash cam that amazed everyone with its astonishing features. This dash cam has a 140-degree wide lens, which can capture 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics to provide crisp, detailed footage of both day and night sceneries. Besides, it comes with a parking guard feature which monitors your car like a security guard and notifies you when an incident is detected. Additionally, its voice control feature allows you to navigate your dash cam via your voice command and helps you to focus only on your driving. Thanks to its live view monitoring, you can monitor your car remotely and check parking activity while you're not with your car. Overall, proven performance and advanced functionality made the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 the champion of a list, which you should definitely consider. So, that was all about the top 5 best car dash cam just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.